Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the Golf Laser Rangefinder. So, stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. If you're a golfer looking for a reliable and high-performing rangefinder, the iMeter SA600AG Golf Laser Rangefinder could be your next game-changer. With a sleek, compact design and powerful features packed inside, it promises accuracy, speed, and convenience for golfers of all skill levels. Here's a closer look at what this rangefinder offers, along with its pros and cons. Product features: compact and stylish design. Small, lightweight, and easy to grip with a modern aesthetic that feels great in hand. 6x optical magnification. Offers a wider and clearer field of view, perfect for spotting targets at a distance. Multi-layer lens coating. Enhances clarity and brightness, delivering sharp visuals in various lighting conditions. Quick focus system. Enables rapid target acquisition with accurate and fast flagpole locking capability. Multiple measurement modes. MON, distance plus angle plus continuous measurement plus vibration. 2. Flagpole locking plus vibration. 3. Flagpole locking plus slope compensation plus vibration. 3-mode vibration feedback. Confirms measurement completion with subtle vibration in all modes for user convenience. Professional golf mode. Includes advanced features like precise slope calculation and background differentiation to distinguish the flag from surrounding objects. Fast measurement response. Measures distances in just 0.1 seconds, ensuring you're ready to swing with confidence and without delay. Slope on/off switch. Easily toggle slope compensation depending on whether you're in a casual or tournament setting. Pros: highly accurate and fast readings. Measurement is nearly instant, helping you stay in the flow of the game. Clear optics with 6x zoom. Makes it easy to locate and lock onto targets even from far away. Compact and lightweight. Easy to carry in your pocket or golf bag without adding bulk. Multi-mode functionality. Versatile options for various golfing scenarios, including slope and continuous measurements. Vibration feedback. Confirms target lock so you don't second-guess your measurement. Professional golf features. Includes features like slope adjustment and flag/background distinction for a competitive edge. Cons: no mention of water resistance. May not be suitable for wet or rainy conditions. Lack of built-in magnetic mount. Some users may prefer magnetic attachment for carts or bags. No GPS integration. Limited to laser functionality without GPS course data. Final verdict: the iMeter SA600AG Golf Laser Rangefinder is a powerful tool designed for golfers who value speed, precision, and versatility. Its fast measurement response, multiple operating modes, and advanced slope functions make it a solid choice for both casual and competitive play. While it may lack a few high-end extras like GPS or waterproofing, its core performance easily holds its own in the mid to premium rangefinder market.